Welcome back now. Let's take a look at the assembly. On top of us our 3-watt solar panel, and spinning it around, turning it upside down now, you can see we have some electrical tape. That's covering a gap between the 3D printed solar panel holder and the solar panel itself, through which I don't want water to enter. This little protrusion contains where the cables go from the solar panel itself down into the main body. And tilting it on its edge now, you can see, there we go, the positive and negative wires heading down from the solar panel into the electrical bay. Those windows, originally I said would be covered in a perforated foil, but I've decided to leave them open because the waterproofing test revealed that no water actually does pass into there. And I want the microphone itself to be as exposed as possible. That's the old microphone sitting there. I'll soon be substituting it out this weekend for the analog microphone that I'm changing it to. The bottom is solid, as that's where it pushes into the spike that you can push into the earth. Now let's take off the outer wall. Remember that the design has 2 walls to help prevent water ingress. That slides off. It's all friction fit, I should say. And now inside, the inner wall. That's what shrouds the electronics themselves. So let's take that off now and have a look and see what's inside. You can see immediately we have the quite chunky cables leading down from the solar panel, folded there and going into the barrel jack. So talking through the components one by one. One of the most important components is our Adafruit Universal USB DC Solar Lithium Ion Polymer Charger. And as I said, uses this barrel jack to connect to the solar panel. The lithium ion 18650 cell at the bottom. And then looking end on, you can see the 3 boards that are layered here. On top, the charger, in the middle, the Raspberry Pi Pico, and beneath the HC12 433 MHz transceiver, with its spring antenna at the top there. There's relatively few connections between the boards, so it was quite straightforward to make this so compact. That pushes back into place within the top cap. The top cap itself, which is then a friction fit into the solar panel holder. It's a slightly finicky assembly, and I don't do a very good job of it in this video. I'm not used yet to holding things within frame too well, so I didn't do a particularly good job of this. There's the inner wall now, assembling into the inner cap, and lastly the outer wall, which also pushes into place. And there we have it. That's the assembly. Thank you very much for watching, and make sure you also check out the weatherproof testing video below.